It's that time again. Tax season is here. The IRS began accepting 2024 tax returns on January 27, 2025. This year, you have until April 15, 2025 to file your taxes. Don't miss the deadline. Many people look forward to getting a tax refund. The IRS wants to help you get your refund as quickly as possible. There are a few key things you can do to speed up the process. These include filing electronically and using direct deposit. Remember, accuracy is important. Double-check your return before you submit it. This can help you avoid processing delays and errors with your refund. Want your tax refund fast? Choose the fastest filing method electronically with direct deposit. The IRS processes these returns much faster than paper returns. With e-filing and direct deposit, you could receive your refund in as little as 21 days. That's 3 weeks. If you choose to mail a paper return, it could take 6 to 8 weeks to get your refund. Why the big difference? Electronic returns are processed automatically. Paper returns require manual entry, which takes much longer. Plus, direct deposit sends your refund straight to your bank account. You won't have to wait for a check in the mail. It's the fastest, easiest way to get your money back. Once you've filed your taxes, you can track your refund status with the IRS. Where's My Refund tool? This handy tool is available on the IRS website and through the IRS 2Go mobile app. You can start checking on your refund status 24 hours after e-filing. If you mailed your return, you'll need to wait 4 weeks before using the tool. To check your refund status, you'll need 3 pieces of information: your Social Security number or Individual Taxpayer Identification Number, ITIN, your filing status, and the exact amount of your expected refund. The IRS updates the Where's My Refund tool daily, typically overnight. This means you can get the latest information about your refund without having to contact the IRS directly. Did you know that you might be able to file your taxes for free? The IRS offers several free filing options for eligible taxpayers. One option is the IRS Free File Program. This program is available to taxpayers with an adjusted gross income, AGI, of $84,000 or less. If you qualify, you can use free tax software from one of several IRS partners. These partners provide guided, step-by-step help to make filing your taxes easy. They even offer free filing options for state taxes. Another option is the Direct File Program. This program allows eligible taxpayers in select states to file their federal taxes directly with the IRS for free. The Direct File Program is expanding each year, so more taxpayers can take advantage of this convenient and secure option. What if you're not ready to file your taxes by April 15th? Don't panic. You can request an automatic 6-month extension to file your return. This pushes your deadline to October 15th. However, it's important to remember that an extension to file is not an extension to pay. You'll still need to estimate your tax liability and pay any taxes owed by the original April 15th deadline. If you don't pay on time, you could face penalties and interest. If you are owed a refund, you won't be penalized for filing late, but filing late will delay your refund. The IRS may also offer special extensions for taxpayers affected by natural disasters. Always check the IRS website for the most up-to-date information on deadlines and extensions. Tax laws can change from year to year. It's essential to be aware of any changes that might affect your tax return. One significant change for the 2024 tax year involves the child tax credit. The maximum credit amount remains $2,000 per qualifying child under age 17. However, there are no more advance monthly payments. The refundable portion of the credit has increased, which means you might be able to get more money back even if you don't owe any taxes. Another change involves the $1,099K reporting threshold for third-party payment networks. The threshold has been lowered to $5,000 with no minimum transaction number. This means you'll receive a $1,099K form if you receive $5,000 or more in payments through platforms like PayPal, Venmo, or Etsy. The IRS also adjusts tax brackets and the standard deduction each year for inflation. These adjustments help ensure that your tax burden keeps pace with the rising cost of living. You can find the updated figures for the 2024 tax year on the IRS website. Additionally, the IRS has introduced new e-filing options to make the process more convenient. Small business owners and freelancers should also note changes in self-employment tax deductions. These updates could impact your deductions and overall tax liability. For more details, visit the IRS Help Center or consult a tax professional. The IRS is always working to improve its services and make filing your taxes easier. One recent update involves the expanded use of chatbots and voice bots. These automated tools can answer common tax questions and provide helpful information to taxpayers. However, the IRS is also facing some challenges. Budget cuts and staffing shortages have put a strain on the agency's resources. This could lead to processing delays and longer wait times for taxpayers who need assistance. Be prepared for the possibility of delays, especially during peak tax season. The IRS is working hard to process returns as quickly as possible, but it's important to be patient and plan accordingly. For many Americans, their tax refund is more than just a welcome bonus. It's a vital part of their financial planning. According to a recent survey, 45% of people who rely on their tax refund do so because of rising living costs. They depend on their refund to catch up on bills, pay down debt, or cover essential expenses. This highlights the importance of getting refunds into the hands of taxpayers as quickly as possible. The IRS understands this need and is committed to providing timely and efficient service. Filing your taxes can seem daunting, but you don't have to do it alone. The IRS offers a wealth of resources to help you navigate the process. Their website is a treasure trove of information, with FAQs, publications, and interactive tools. If you can't find what you need online, you can always contact the IRS directly for assistance. They have phone lines dedicated to specific tax topics, as well as in-person assistance available at taxpayer assistance centers across the country. Don't be afraid to ask for help if you need it. Filing your taxes correctly and on time is essential, and the IRS is there to support you every step of the way. Filing your taxes early can bring a multitude of benefits. First and foremost, it reduces the stress and last-minute scramble that often accompany the tax deadline. By getting a head start, you have more time to gather all necessary documents, correct any errors, and ensure everything is in order. Additionally, early filers are more likely to receive their refunds sooner. The IRS processes returns on a first-come, first-served basis, so the earlier you file, the quicker you can expect your refund. This can be especially beneficial if you're relying on that money for major expenses or savings goals. Another advantage is the increased protection against identity theft. Filing early minimizes the window of opportunity for fraudsters to file a false return using your personal information. This tax season, there are a few key changes to keep in mind. For instance, there's an expanded child tax credit and new guidelines for reporting gig economy income. Staying informed about these updates can help you maximize your refund and avoid any potential pitfalls. So mark your calendars and aim to file as soon as you have all your necessary documents. The benefits of filing early are clear, and with the right preparation, you can make this tax season your smoothest one yet. Filing your taxes can be a daunting task, but avoiding common mistakes can save you time, money, and stress. Here are some tips from tax professionals to help you navigate the process smoothly. First, double-check all your personal information. Errors in your social security number, address, or bank account details can lead to delays or even rejected returns. Make sure everything is accurate and up to date. Next, ensure you're using the correct filing status. Whether you're single, married, or head of household, choosing the right status can significantly impact your tax bracket and refund. If you're unsure, consult a tax professional for guidance. Another common pitfall is overlooking deductions and credits. From education expenses to home office deductions, make sure you're taking advantage of all the tax breaks available to you. Keep thorough records and receipts to substantiate your claims. Don't forget to report all your income. This includes wages, interest, dividends, and gig economy earnings. Failing to report all your income can trigger an audit and result in penalties and interest. One of the most frequent mistakes is missing the filing deadline. To avoid late fees and penalties, aim to file early or request an extension if needed. Remember, an extension to file is not an extension to pay any taxes owed. Lastly, if your tax situation is complex, consider hiring a professional. Tax laws can be intricate and ever-changing, and a certified tax preparer can help ensure you're compliant and maximizing your refund. By keeping these tips in mind and staying organized, you can avoid common tax filing mistakes and make the process as smooth as possible. Happy filing!